Parts.cat.com allows you to save lists of parts for later use and repeat orders. We call these frequent order lists. These lists are saved with your account in Parts.cat.com, so you can access them at any time from any device. Let's start with a shopping cart that already has parts added. You may have added parts using Quick Order or parts manuals, or parts that have been reloaded from a past order in your order history. At the top of the shopping cart page, click the Save icon. You will see you have two choices. Select Save as Frequent Order List. In the pop-up window, first you will give your new list a name. Second, decide if you want the list to be shared, so others in your company can also use it, or private, which means only you will see it. Then click the Save button. You just created a frequent order list. It's that simple. When you want to retrieve or edit a list, you can click on your name in the top right and then on Frequent Order Lists. If you have many lists, you can use the search functions at the top of this page to find a list based on its name, who created it, when it was updated, or parts numbers in the list. By default, this page only shows lists you created. To see lists that others in your company have shared, click off this checkbox. You can also create a new list on this page by uploading a parts list from your computer, or by clicking Create List and entering parts numbers manually. To order the parts in a list, start by clicking on the list name. You will see the list of parts. You can add or remove parts as needed. Then at the bottom of the list, click on the Add All to Cart button to order these parts. The parts numbers and quantities are populated in the quick order form. Now you can add to cart and keep shopping, or add to cart and check out.